Bullish Bitcoin gold cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $76.88 and $145.22 by 2030. Market experts accept BTG could reach $59.80 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin gold market cost expectation for 2023 is $13.67. Bitcoin gold presentation. Bitcoin gold is a fork of the Summit coin Bitcoin, made in 2017 to furnish a stage that arrangements with the versatility constraints of the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin versatility issue focuses to the failure of the Bitcoin organization to deal with an enormous number of exchanges all the while, bringing about successive organization blockages and, thus, a climb in exchange expenses on the organization. This issue is ascribed to the restricted size and recurrence of the blocks on the blockchain network. On the Bitcoin organization, a typical block creation time is 10 minutes, with a block size of 1 megabyte, making a handling capacity of around 3.4 to 7 exchanges each second. While this was fine when Bitcoin was traded for pizzas and moved among somewhat close and barely any organizations of clients, it turned into a test as the crypto market traffic rose to many million exchanges. As a feature of endeavors to make a more versatile organization, Bitcoin Gold was made to turn into an easy-to-use elective. As one of the main forks of the Bitcoin network, Bitcoin Gold held the security and solidness of the Bitcoin chain, however, with further developed innovation for adaptability and extension. The organization intends to give a coin the qualities and capacities of the Bitcoin yet without its shortcomings. Thus, it got rid of the Bitcoin hash power assets and set out open doors for decentralized finance and dApps to utilize the stage, an extravagance which was at first unimaginable on the Bitcoin network. What is Bitcoin Gold? Bitcoin Gold was established by Yin Hang and Qvanjeev Martin, the computerized resource meant to make a venture with the capacities of the Bitcoin blockchain with new inventive increases for outsider turn of events and decentralized application. One of its greatest longings is to change the Bitcoin mining process through the evidence of work agreement calculation, which tackles the versatility challenges that limit the outstanding development of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin Gold is an open-source convention that gives a stage to engineers to partake in the blockchain's turn of events and administration. The organization considers unhindered cooperation a prerequisite for advancing expanded support in decentralized application. Bitcoin Gold is a digital money with the central qualities of the Bitcoin. Yet rather than mine on modern ASIC mining equipment, which will in general make a couple of unmistakable and powerful players because of the expense-concentrated nature of the mining equipment, Bitcoin Gold is mined utilizing straightforward realistic handling units mining plans, making a level battleground for any intrigued person to partake in the organization. This makes genuine decentralization and autonomy. With this plan of Bitcoin Gold, it honestly thought mining prizes wouldn't be packed in that frame of mind of a couple of ASIC mining ranch proprietors. Yet all things being equal, tips would be spread across people all around the organization. Bitcoin Gold purposes the evidence of work agreement calculation. Not at all like Bitcoin, it presents the equihash POW, making GPU mining conceivable. Bitcoin Gold current cost. Bitcoin Gold is as of now worth $17.08 USD. BTG has moved 2.11% as of now with an exchanging volume of $27,421,741. Bitcoin Gold is right now positioned 113 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $296,373,393 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Bitcoin Gold market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2023. Bitcoin Gold, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The BTG cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $25.63. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $23.92 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. BTG is supposed to have a base worth of $20.50. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Bitcoin Gold BTG cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BTG will before long outperform $42.71. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the BTG's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BTG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $34.17 and a typical exchanging cost of $37.59. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $59.80 and BTG might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BTG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $54.67 and a low of $51.25 in 2025. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Bitcoin Gold effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the BTG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BTG will be green in 2026. The BTG is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $76.88, with a base cost of $68.34 and a typical cost of $71.76. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the BTG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $88.84 by 2027, with a base cost of $85.42 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BTG has a greatest value worth of $93.97. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $105.92. In the event that BTG figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $111.05. Neglecting to assemble the help BTG needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $102.51. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2029. While BTG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $119.59 and a yearly cost close above $128.13 in 2029. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Gold will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $136.68 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $145.22, averaging out at $140.09. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest BTG cost in 2031 is projected to be $167.43 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $160.60. And ETG gives perhaps